Did the United States know Japan was coming? Could one of the most devastating attacks in history have been prevented? Today, we delve into the mystery surrounding the attack on Pearl Harbor. Picture this. The year is 1941. World War II rages across Europe and Asia. The United States, although not yet involved in the conflict, is on high alert. The U.S. military has been intercepting and decoding Japanese communications for several months, and the messages are worrisome. These decoded messages, known as the Magic Intelligence, revealed that Japan was preparing for offensive action. The question was, where would this action take place? The Pacific Fleet at Pearl Harbor was a possible target, but so were other locations, such as the Philippines or other territories in the South Pacific. The U.S. was, in essence, trying to predict the unpredictable. It was a giant life-or-death game of chess, with each move potentially spelling disaster. The pieces were in place, the players were ready, but the strategy was unclear. As the decoded messages continued to pour in, the situation became increasingly tense. The U.S. military knew something was coming, but the sheer volume of information and the multiple potential targets led to confusion and inaction. The result? A delay in relaying the vital information to the commanders at Pearl Harbor. And then, on that fateful day, December 7, 1941, the unthinkable happened. Without a formal declaration of war, Japanese planes descended on Pearl Harbor, catching the Pacific Fleet by surprise. The attack was devastating, marking the United States' entry into World War II. The aftermath was a time of reflection and regret. The decoded messages were re-examined with the painful knowledge of what they had foretold. The question on everyone's mind was, could the attack have been prevented if the U.S. had acted on the intelligence sooner? The answer to that question is complex. On one hand, the U.S. did have prior knowledge that Japan was planning an offensive. On the other hand, the lack of specific details about the target and timing of the attack made it difficult to take decisive action. Ultimately, the attack on Pearl Harbor serves as a sobering reminder of the consequences of miscommunication and delay. It's a testament to the importance of clear, timely information in preventing disaster. So, did the U.S. know Japan was coming? Yes, but the details were shrouded in uncertainty, leading to inaction at a crucial moment. This is a stark lesson in how tiny missteps can lead to huge consequences. In the end, the story of Pearl Harbor is not just a tale of surprise attack, but a potent lesson in the perils of confusion and the critical importance of clear, decisive action. It's a lesson that resonates to this day,